हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 17 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages Private Limited? And the answer is Hemant Rupani. Second question. According to UIDAI, biometric updates for children between which age group are free of cost under Aadhaar rules? And the answer is 5 to 7 years. Third question. Which Indian state has become the first state to grant agricultural status to livestock farming? And the answer is Maharashtra. Fourth question. Which major UK bank recently became the first to exit the Net Zero Banking Alliance? And the answer is HSBC. Fifth question. Which cross-border payments startup recently received RBI's in principle approval for a payment aggregator cross-border license? And the answer is Exim Pay. Sixth question. The Trade and Economic Partnership Agreement between India and which group of 4 nations is set to come into effect from October 2025? And the answer is EFTA. EFTA का full form है European Free Trade Association. Seventh question. Which global consulting firm has launched an AI Academy in India to help industries develop Gen AI skill and capabilities? And the answer is EY. EY का full form है Ernst and Young. Eighth question. Tesla recently opened its first showroom in India. In which city, marking its official entry into the Indian market? And the answer is Mumbai. Ninth question. Which American aerospace company is supplying the F404 engines for India's Tejas Mk1A fighter aircraft? And the answer is GE Aerospace. 10th question. According to the QS Best Student Cities Ranking 2026, which city has been ranked the most affordable student city in the world? And the answer is Delhi. 11th question. What is the name of India's first indigenously developed carbon fiber foot prosthesis launched by DRDO and AIIMS Bibinagar? And the answer is ADI DOC. 12th question. TAFE has signed an MOU with which international research institute to set up an adaptive agriculture research center in Hyderabad? And the answer is ICRI SAT. ICRI SAT का full form है International Crop Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics. 13th question. Where is the 75th Pradhan Mantri Divyasha Kendra inaugurated in Uttar Pradesh? And the answer is Badaयूं. 14th question. According to the report recently released by Energy and Clean Air Research Center, which is the most polluted city in India? And the answer is Virnihat. 15th question. Who launched India's first aqua park? And the answer is Himanta Vishwa Singh. 16th question. Recently, India's second longest cable stayed bridge opens in which state? And the answer is Karnataka. 17th question. On 15th July 2025, Indian astronaut group captain Shubhanshu Shukla and 3 other crew members of which mission safely returned to Earth? And the answer is Axiom 4 mission. 18th question. How many districts will be covered under the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhan Krishi Yojana in 2025-26? And the answer is 100. 19th question. What is the name of India's second largest cable stayed bridge inaugurated in July 2025? And the answer is Sikandur Bridge. 20th question. Who will launch India's first weather derivatives market? And the answer is National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange. 21st question. Where will the Youth Spiritual Summit be organized? And the answer is Varanasi. 22nd question. Where has the My Deed project been launched? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. 23rd question. Where has India's first aquatech park been launched? And the answer is Assam. 24th question. Where has the Ungludan Stalin initiative been launched? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. 25th question. Where is the 2025 Summer FISU World University Games being held? And the answer is Germany. 26th question. Where was the BIMSTEC Ports Conference 2025 held? And the answer is Visakhapatnam. 27th question. Which organization is responsible for the implementation of carbon credit trading scheme? And the answer is Bureau of Energy Efficiency. 28th question. Barak Belly that was recently seen in news is located in which state? And the answer is Assam. 29th question. Which state government has launched the Prerona Asuni scheme to support class 10th students? And the answer is Assam. And the last 30th question. Which institution hosted the ShalyaCon 2025, the third national conference on Shalya Tantra? And the answer is All Indian Institute of Ayurveda. तो ये थे 17 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे में। तो आज क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे में 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, Yakteen village of which state was announced as India's first digital nomad village? And the last third question, who has recently been appointed as the interim MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank? तो इन तीनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है।